Almost everyone has heard of a 401k, but very few people truly understand it. Some people ignore it, underfund it, or use it the wrong way. And the result? They work 30 to 40 years and still struggle in retirement. But here's the truth. A 401k can quietly turn an average income into real wealth. If you understand how to use it correctly, let's define it clearly. A 401k is a tax-advantaged retirement account offered by your employer that allows you to invest part of your paycheck before taxes. That means you lower your taxable income today while building long-term wealth. And inside the account, your money grows tax-deferred, which is extremely powerful over time. Here's how it works in real life. Every paycheck, you choose a percentage, for example, 5% or 10%. That money is automatically deducted. It goes into your 401k account. You invest it into funds. No effort required after setup. It's automatic. And that's important because consistency beats timing. Now this is where things get serious. Many employers offer something called a match. Example, you earn $60,000. You contribute 5% equals $3,000. Your employer matches 5%. Another $3,000? That's $6,000 total. You doubled your money instantly. Not taking full advantage of the match is like refusing part of your salary. It's one of the biggest financial mistakes people make. The real magic of a 401k is not the match, it's time. Let's look at a simple example. You invest $500 per month for 30 years at 7% return. You could end up with around $600,000 to $800,000. But here's what's surprising. Most of that money is not what you put in. It's growth. That's compounding. Simple way to think. Money grows slowly at first. Then suddenly, it starts growing faster than you can contribute. What you actually invest in. Inside your 401k, you don't just hold cash. You invest in stock funds, bond funds, target date funds. Beginner strategy. If you don't know what to pick, choose a target date fund. It automatically adjusts. Younger, more stocks, growth. Older, more bonds, stability. Intermediate strategy. Use index funds like S&P 500, total market. These give you low cost, strong long-term growth. Common mistakes. Mistake 1, not investing the money. Some people contribute, but never choose investments. Money just sits there, no growth. Mistake 2, starting too late. Time matters more than amount. Starting 10 years earlier can mean hundreds of thousands more. Mistake 3, panic during crashes. Market drops 20 to 30%. People panic and sell. Then the market recovers without them. Mistake 4, borrowing from 401k. Some plans allow loans, but this can reduce long-term growth, create bad habits. Tip 1, always get full match. This is your foundation. Tip 2, increase contributions over time. Every raise you get, increase your contribution. You won't feel the difference, but your future will. Tip 3, use Roth 401k if available. Traditional, pay taxes later. Roth, pay taxes now, withdraw tax-free later. Very powerful if you're younger. Tip 4, keep fees low. High fees quietly destroy wealth. Even 1% difference can cost hundreds of thousands over time. Tip 5, stay consistent in all markets. Don't stop investing during downturns. That's when prices are on sale. Let's compare two people. Person A, invest 4%, no match optimization, random choices. After 30 years, approximately $250,000. Person B invests 12 to 15%, full match. Index funds, consistent. After 30 years, $700,000. Same job, same salary, different mindset. A 401k is not exciting. It won't make you rich overnight, but it does something better. It builds wealth quietly, over time, with discipline. And in the end, that's what creates financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn what a pension is or Differences between 401k and pension, click the videos on the screen. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.